Okay, so this video is for everyone who is having problems installing the OBB file. Just a reminder, I'm using a tablet, and I don't know if it's different from the tablet, but I recommend you using this strategy on every device, that on any device. I recommend it, it's working. It's just not you're installing it properly. But I'm gonna show you how to install it. Firstly, you're gonna go in My Files. Your My Files might look a little bit different, but you see this here. I'm gonna go into file storage and find the downloaded file that I just had, and you see this here, DSL Android. This is the zip file right here for Dream League. You're gonna press extract whatever you have on your device. I don't know if you have a I don't know if you have a iPhone or Android, so you're gonna look for extract, and extract to that. It's processing. Next, you can scroll down and see this DSL. Firstly, look on this that says DLS OBB Android. You're gonna look at this. Hold on. You're gonna look at this. Go in first touch games, and this, let me shift over this. This too is the main this is the main file. This is the main file that you need to run the game, and this is the crack that you need to be in the file. So in order to do this, I don't want to mess up my game because I already installed it on my own, so I'm just showing you how to install. You're gonna move it to device. Let's look for Android. Device, Android, OBB. See, I already have mine in there, so you're just gonna paste the file that I moved in. Just paste the file that you extract in this category: device storage, Android, and OBB. And after you paste it, firstly, do not install the game. If you install the game first and extract the folder and put it in the OBB, it's not gonna work. You have to paste the OBB file in the device storage, Android OBB, and like check to see if the main98.com first touch is in there. Let me check for details. Yeah, it's an OBB file, so it's not a data file, so don't put it in the data section. Put it in Android OBB. So there you have it. After you've done this, you can go ahead and install Dream League, and it should work. See, I'm gonna show you on my end to show you that Dream League works on my end. I already started playing it, and I'm not lying, guys. I'm not lying for the views. I'm not lying for nothing. You can see that I'm doing this video for Jazz. Shout out to Jazz for making me doing this. Like I'm showing you guys. See, I have unlimited amount of money. It's not live. Just do that, and after you, again, the number one tip: after you place the OBB file, after you place the OBB file for Dream League in Android internal storage /OBB, where you see in the video. If you don't know, just rewind and let me turn on this. You can just rewind and see, and after that, just install the game. If you install the game first, it will not work. It will direct you back to Play Store until to download it. So just do that, and see you guys on the next one. I'll be starting a series soon, a gameplay walkthrough series, a let's play series, but not in this month. I will be fixing my laptop and stuff, so just stay tuned and subscribe for more videos, and I'll put a YouTube card up. This will be a YouTube card on the other Dream League tutorial that I just did to just help you guys out. So shout out to Jazz, shout out to O'Neil Data Gaming, and shout out to Alex Gaming as well. Those are my biggest viewers that I have right now. You guys are all my biggest users, but I love to see you guys when you comment to know what you did wrong, so I can help you, cause it doesn't work for everyone. That's why I have the dislike button. That's why I have this. So see you guys on the next one. I'll be playing a match as I finish this video. So yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.